My dissertation is centered around online professional development, also known as PD, that is provided for public school teachers. More specifically, it will focus on mental and physical barriers that arise when teachers complete required PD through an online platform. These barriers may include lack of proper training with online platforms, mental or physical fatigue, or simply feelings of isolation and boredom. Not only will this research look at barriers that arise for teachers, it will also discuss the impact of teacher choice and voice with online training. For example, it will view whether giving teachers active participation in their online learning will truly influence their perception of its efficacy. COVID 19 has disrupted the way in which many schools conduct online PD. While things seem to be returning to normal, this pandemic has proven the value of flexibility and diversity of online learning. It makes us ask the question, is this the new status quo? If so, how will we adapt and change when struggles like these present themselves? There is also a gap in literature for how teachers feel about online training. Therefore, the study is designed to bridge the divide. The perception of how useful online training can be plays a significant role in its effectiveness. This means that while online PD may be geared towards helping teachers, they must truly believe it's beneficial for it to be successful. For this study, a mixed methods approach will be used in order to examine my research questions. Quantitative data will be collected in the beginning of the project in order to establish a baseline of attitudes towards online PD. Qualitative data, in the form of interviews, will later be utilized to interpret the baseline data. A case study was chosen due to its smaller sample size that I will be using. Based on the limited access that I have to fellow teachers within my district, convenient sampling will be used. The target population size is 15 to 20 teachers. There will be a mixture of newer and experienced teachers. This was chosen in order to mimic the other PD sessions that are done within my district. Teachers will first be asked to complete a survey about best practices for online training. The results of this survey will be used to shape the online PD session. This session will take place over 2 hours in order to reflect the allotted time that is normally given in the natural environment. The purpose of this online session is to see if direct input from the teachers positively impacts their experience with online training. Semi structured interviews will then be conducted in order to capture the experience of each participant. Coding will be used in order to create themes and highlight commonalities amongst the participants. Peer reviews will also be conducted in order to ensure that the research remains unbiased. Thank you for listening for the overview of my presentation.